Welcome to the beautiful Zillertal Arena in Austria on one of my favorite snowboard runs of the year with a lot of powder snow. As you can see, we are here totally alone with only me and my friends, and you will see here in a second that I actually got stuck here with my snowboard in knee-deep powder snow, freshly fallen actually, because this route is what they call in Austria a dotted route of like a route which is semi off-piste, so semi back country. And as you can see, there's not a lot of people here except my two good friends. Why? Because actually this route was because of the snowfall closed, but the day after I came back and there was no one and the powder was also still there. So it's a route which is practically or de facto private, so we didn't have to take any helicopter. I was just here with my friend enjoying this whole mountainside for myself with some fresh powder snow. So I think it's hands down one of my favorite routes I did actually in the last couple of years because of the fresh snow and also just riding with your friends and having this great time and having pretty good visibility, honestly, because sometimes with the snowfall you can also have the issue of low hanging clouds, and in this case we didn't have this issue at all. There were other people who went here before, so we could also follow the route. Let's say, is a pretty safe route, but there was also a lot of fresh powder still for us to enjoy, so I do like it. There's a lot of variety in this route too. It's a very long route. It goes on for at least 40 to almost an hour to go down from this top side all the way down to the valley. It's pretty challenging, but not that challenging. You just have to stick a bit to where you can see where you are going. I'm not the best snowboarder myself, so I would say if you can do a bit of powder snow, this is for sure possible for you. I do remember at the end of the run, actually, we do have a very steep area where it goes a bit steeper, a black route, but yeah, overall a very nice place. And yeah, I would say try it out, try those dotted routes. And as you can see, if it snows a bit, don't be scared. Obviously, this is an official route, so you are allowed, and from an insurance point of view, you are allowed to take this one. And look how much powder snow we have here. It makes me want to go back, and especially it's nice to see here my friends also enjoying the powder snow and enjoying the temperatures. The good thing about Austria and this area is that temperature stays pretty low throughout, and also there's quite a lot of snowfall, and if it snows, it snows pretty decently, as you can obviously see. The snow stays pretty long too, because it's cold enough also during the night, so you always hope that you get some powder snow in the night, but in this case it was during the day. And also if you go a bit later in the afternoon, like 3, 4 or 5, and you go all the way down, you will by definition always have less people there, and that's pretty nice to be private. I think having a whole mountain for yourself with you and your friends, exploring, finding the best spots where to go, warning your friends. Here you can actually see I'm sitting next to some kind of rock. So the dotted lines, the whole concept is that it's a relatively safe, if not a very safe route to go without stones or anything like this. The only difference is that they don't ride the route, so they don't flatten the route. So you have to find a bit your own way, but it leaves some beautiful powder snow. And as I said, normally there should not be any crazy bumps, trees or rocks in this area. And going through these trees, enjoying this view is truly amazing. I will also leave you here in a bit with the full route, also on the leftover route, which you can enjoy, and with audio enjoy how it looks like. Put it on full screen, and then you can enjoy it on your own time. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Oeh.
Waar is die splitsing?
Daar, je zult hem zien, hè. Ja, daar is iets, maar het is verder. Oh, zo. Does it get better than this?
Nope.
Ah, we zijn eronder geweest. Wat de hel, ik had niet eens gehoord. Kijk,
Nee.
we zijn halverwege. Dat is toch niet normaal?
Moeten wij nu naar daar of?
Ja,
De meeste sporen gaan naar rechts, hè?
ja, denk het wel.
Follow the
Je
track.
kunt aan de kant die doen, op dat huisje, zie je? Zo, een klein beetje op dat wegje.
Ja, zo'n tikje en dan
Ja.
weer op. Ja. Ik ga denk ik hier over.
Ja, doe maar hoor. Ja. Oké.
Dus wij gaan hier doen.
Je veux aller premier. Oh, ver!